light here at rice going. Good morning. Okay, plan for this morning. This light is crazy. Oh god. Never mind. I'm gonna get ready for the gym right now, and then I'm gonna go. I want like to go on a pretty walk. So I'm gonna find, I have like a bunch of cafes saved that I've never been to before, so I'm gonna try a new cafe today, and I'm gonna give my old one a break. And then when I get back, I am gonna show you guys the print that I got that I didn't get to show you yesterday. We finished the gym. Okay, I just finished getting ready. Okay, I have this leather jacket on, and then I have just a black cardigan underneath, buttoned all the way to the top. I have my go-to black jeans, and then I have some powder blue socks, my loafers, and then for jewelry, just my regular go-to rings. This, and then this little faux stack. It's one ring. Yep, so that's the fit. I'm not sure about the bag. Maybe I'll just bring my wallet. I got a new wallet because my other one was super chunky. This is just a denim card holder from RRL, and I like it way better. And I just carry the cards that I need at the time. It's better, it's thinner, and I can just like go, like just go. So Anthony's gonna be back a little sooner, so I'm actually gonna wait for him, and we're gonna go together to the cafe. But in the meantime, I'm gonna show you finally find some scissors, the little art piece that I got to frame my dining area. Okay, so this is the print. This is the chrome frame. Feels like such good quality, so I'm so excited. It doesn't feel like a flimsy like little metal frame, which is nice. So I can't wait to put that up later. But I'm gonna wait to put it up until the table comes, because I want to put the table in place, and then I want this to be like super centered to the table. I have like a whole plan, a whole vision that I want to accomplish. So that's gonna be fun. Hopefully tomorrow, I think tomorrow the dining table gets delivered and I can start working on my dining area plans, because this is just an open concept, so it's not like a dining room. But you're picking up what I'm putting down. We're walking to Brown Bee's Coffee, or Brown Bee Cafe, an area. There's so many hills. Enjoyed some Brown Bee coffee. We both got chais and chocolate chip cookies warmed up, and it was so delicious. The cookies, one of the better chocolate chip cookies that I've had. The chocolate chips were like layered throughout the cookie, so that was so delicious. But the line was so crazy, so I guess they went viral on like Instagram and TikTok. which is cool because it's nice that like small businesses are like popping off like that. But the line was like kind of crazy. But we waited for like what, like 30 minutes maybe, and it's nice to just see little places like that thriving. Good morning. It's Sunday morning and we're on our way to the thrift store. It's my favorite thing to do on Sunday, so we're gonna go thrifting a little bit. I'm gonna see if I can find any like home decor, anything cool. And then we're gonna go to like TJ Maxx and Home Goods and see if we can find any like organizational things for our place. Okay, I just want to do a quick haul. We went to TJ Maxx and Home Goods earlier, so I got this cute little tea bag holder, and then this is going to be to hold some snacks. And then I have a bunch of little, I don't know if you can see over there, all of those are for seasoning. Once I fill them all up and stuff, those 2 bags are full of our seasonings, and then those are the bottles for them, or the containers. Then I'm going to organize them all on these little shelves in that corner. And then we got 3 of these glass jars for our sugar, our flour, and our cereal, just so that nothing can get inside of like the cardboard box or the plastic or anything like that. We just put the legs on the table, and now for the big reveal. We haven't seen the top yet. We're gonna flip the table over. She's up. I just need to clean it. We had the blanket there so we didn't scratch the tabletop. But I like this table so much better because the legs go straight down. The other ones were pin legs and they went diagonal. Also, I like this color brown way better. The other one was kind of like a green gray brown, like a dusty brown. And this one's more of like a mahogany or rosewood, like orangey brown. And I think it's gonna look really good with those chairs right there. And then I plan on having this photo. Once we put the table, I'm not gonna hang this photo up until this table is like in its perfect spot. Once it's in the perfect spot, I'm gonna make sure that this artwork is like centered to the table, because then I wanna, like I have like this whole like vision of how I want the dining room area framed. So I want this, the painting framed in the middle. Then I want to get a really nice vase and always have some fresh like greenery in it. And then I'm getting rid of this. We're gonna do something a little darker, like a dark brown, maybe like a dark burl wood brown. I think it looks so good, and I like the roundedness because everything in this apartment is really square, straight lines. So I like the curves. I feel like it adds a little oomph to the space. So I think I really like it. I like the tones of this one. I think it looks really pretty. So now that we decided like where it's gonna stay, I want to put the artwork right here in the middle. I love the roundness of it. Feels good. Okay, I am making a dinner. So I have white rice going. I have the steaks marinated. It looks like a small pile, but it's like they're just a bunch of like thin steaks and stuff. Marinated. I'm talking to this. Oh, hi. And then I have some avocado chopped up, so it's gonna be a good dinner. Okay, I just wanna do one more quick little haul. Wait, actually, first, before I give you like a little haul really quick, how nice. I love this so much. So just imagine the little horse print right here, and then we might do like a little hutch in the corner for like a little wine bar or something. I'm not sure yet, but I love this so much. Okay, I want to show you something really cute. So this is a little, I'll put it on the table. How cute is this? This is a bottle opener shell, and then this is for like salt. Put salt on your dish. Oh my gosh, I think it's so pretty. Look at that. These were made in Nova Scotia, Canada. And they're from this brand called Nanine, and they have like a bunch of like vendors on their site, I'm pretty sure. But how pretty is that little oyster shell opener and salt thing? What's up? So I don't know where I left off, but it's a few days later, and this is what my dining room setup looks like. I love it so much. It just goes with everything, and the roundness of the table is just spectacular, especially when I put the big lights on. It just looks so good. I'm gonna get a sideboard to go there, and then I kind of want like a lamp right here, something to like set this tone. I got a new vase for here, so I want to open that up with you. It just came in. And I got a little candle holder for the sideboard that I'm getting for over there. Hello? Thing was sealed nice and tight. All right. So here we are. So it's this black cast iron taper candle holders. It looks like it holds like the smaller version, which is actually kind of cute. And you can do so many different little, it looks like this. And you can do this and have the little, you know, different heights and stuff. You can even go like this if you wanted to, but I feel like that would be like a little heavy on the side. You can go in the middle and not even have it connect. Okay, now I'm opening up this H&M package. I love H&M Home. This first one is one that I bought as backup because I wasn't sure about the other vase. So this is my first vase. Oh, I actually really like this. Like, I like the shape. This is actually very pretty. Look at this. That is freaking me out. Oh, I don't like this. It's so weird. Sheesh. Look at that. That is crazy. It's paper. But that just looks crazy. It looks kind of like an acorn. Acorns, not acorn, a pine cone. Pine cones freak me out. It also looks kind of like a beehive or like a wasp nest. Freaky. Okay, here we go. That's really cute. I really like that a lot. Do you see it's like an organic-y like rock? Let's see what it looks like at the centerpiece. I think this looks really cool. I love the texture, and when the sunlight comes in, when it's not cloudy, I think this will be a really good vase centerpiece option to have. Also, I like that it's clear because it doesn't feel like it's taking up space from the table, if that makes sense. Although the other chrome one looked really nice in the center, I think this one's gonna be good.